Last time on Grow Sailing, we took you to the futuristic city of Annapolis, one of the major sailing cities in the US. It was time again for the in-water boat show.
Come on, let's go!
We strolled around, met lovely people, showed you the boat we would have bought if money didn't count. We got great information and deals for the preparation of Nomad for our big journey. Hey, welcome back at Grow Sailing. We are currently sitting in our workshop. It's totally chaotic here.
But at least that means we're getting some work done and we're progressing with all the items we have on our list. Okay, so maybe you remember the trivia from last week where we asked you about Nomad's home she's never been. If you guessed Germany, you were in the right country. We are both from northern Germany, not far from Hamburg. We're currently living abroad, so we had the choice of home port as long as the city has a harbor.
And we chose Hamburg, my favorite city, and also the location of the Hanseboot, a German exhibition for boats in Hamburg.
And the best thing is, Benno is coming as well.
Woo!
So please enjoy!
Da bist! Du bist ja schon vor lange hier. Ja, war der Platz, ne? Voll Frühstart. Interessante Einrichtung mit dem Gold.
Okay, I'm at the Hanseboot boat exhibition today in Hamburg, Germany actually. So it's a little unfortunate, it's the last exhibition they opened in 1961. But because of the world finance crisis in 2008, they had stagnating number of visitors. It's around 250,000 in the recent years, but it was 450. So unfortunately, they are closing doors, but it's still a great show. I've been here plenty of times, and today I will check mainly how to rebuild the underwater hull. So there are some experts here that can tell me, how to close this properly so that we don't sink, which I think is quite a good thing. And also electricity, energy, solar, wind generator, and there's a lot of presentations about safety at sea, storm prevention tactics, proper sail and so. I just talked to the managing director from Von der Linden. It's a German boat builder, whatever you call it. They're very much experts on refitting, outfitting, building boats and all this stuff. And he explained in a very great detail on how to fix through holes and apply barrier coat and all this stuff. So I feel we're all set now to get the job done.
Löser.
One thing, this is a very interesting project that I would like to show you. It's called Bente. The boat was developed more or less on social media together with Jule and Frolik, which is a boat design office or something. The idea was to bring out a boat that is rather cheap or affordable, you could say, and it's a really cool boat. There. When are you going to buy a boat?
Buying a new Bente now, or maybe two or three.
Two Bente, three Bente.
One for Monday, one for days between Monday and Sunday.
And one for the US.
For the Earth?
US, then you don't have to
for
say.
the US. Okay. Nice idea.
got something for you here. What is your kid's name?
My kid's name?
Which month were you born?
November.
Stangen. What is your Lieblingsastra? Your favorite Astra? Urtyp,
Are there different types of Astra?
Rakete or Alster?
The regular one?
Urtyp.
Urtyp?
Okay, so
Stange?
your name is Stangenralle.
Stangenralle?
Ja, hey Stangenralle. Woo!
Stangenralle. What's your name?
Stangenralle.
Me test. Which month are you born?
December.
December. Burn, burn, born. Burn. December. That is porno. Good beginning.
I'll take Alster.
Die Alster. Porno-Dieter.
Alter, Porno-Dieter.
Or Porno-Uschi.
Na. Porno-Dieter in Stangenralle on tour tonight in Hamburg. Woohoo! Stangenralle.
Porno-Dieter. Stangenralle.
Hey there. We almost finalized Winterizing Nomad, and that's a good thing because the temperatures are already below 0 degrees some days. And we have still the AC left. We need to find out how we can winterize that. And then we can finally start refitting Nomad. We want to replace most of the hatches and the port lights because they are leaking.
The seals, huh?
The seals, yeah.
Otherwise it would be freaking expensive.
Seals. And today I'm gonna start with the teak in our cockpit. Our teak needs a nice treatment with oil and first cleaning and then the oil and... Benny, what are you gonna do today?
Oh, I'll show you in a bit, but we have to go inside first.
Okay. Let's go!
You probably remember the shitty day we removed our holding tank from the bathroom that we're converting into storage, and the shit splashed all over the place, which is pretty disgusting. We've cleaned it up as good as we can, but a lot of the stuff went behind the cabin, which we cannot really reach. So we want to remove the cabin anyhow, it doesn't matter, we planned it for a little later, but what I'm going to do today is I'll start cutting out the cabin so that we can move the shit. Let's get going! Okay, this works really, really well. I'm almost done with everything in regards to the sink. It's just that over here there's a little bit of... no, it's not that straightforward. I can't remove this yet. There's a lot of stuff in the way. But I have this cutting guide and I will now cut here through the fiberglass. But there's a depth guide so we don't cut too deep. That should keep the wood intact below. And we'll start about here now. Ooh! Okay, I guess we have to take that hose away first. We'll do a shortcut here. Okay.
Doesn't fit through the door?
What?
Doesn't it fit through the door?
No, it's a little tight, but I think we will be managing it. Yes! Would you like to wash your hands after all this work? We're making big steps here. want to see something ugly?
No.
I'm gonna show you. Look at this! Caca crema! Yummy, 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 yummy. This is all the leftover shit that's stinking so much. Isn't that disgusting? I'm kinda glad we did that. I mean, cutting out the thing.
Can you please?
Yeah. Do you have to puke? But please not into this room. Look at this, all over the place.
No.
What a great day today. We had some sun and we got some work done. Woohoo!
It's alright, man.
Please join us next time when we finally finish winter preparations almost in time with the help from a friend. Have a scare, continue refitting and outfitting, slow down during ice cold weather and reveal a big surprise.